You are welcome to this As you are all aware, last week the governor of Rivers State appointed me as the chairman of the caretaker committee and other of my brothers and sisters as the members of the caretaker committee. That is to signal the beginning of a new era in our dear local government administration in the state. I thank the God Almighty for this wonderful privilege given to us to serve our people. In the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, has been remarkable in terms of credible achievements since he took over office, despite the organized distractions by those who should support him ordinarily more in the state. In spite of this, he has shown maturity and leadership in the face of provocation. The Ikwerre people are grateful and simply proud to call you our Ebenezer, and we thank you earnestly. I also thank our political leaders for nominating us without rancor.
So you repeat after me.